Do you know why they're red tips? We don't know why they're red tips. CJ said it's dog penis. But you think the dog has penis this size? We are going in Krabi town to pick up the drone that we ordered a couple days ago. So we made it to the pier and no one told us that it had to be at least 6 people to leave the pier to the city or wherever. So we got down and they said if that's not 6 people at least, we would have to pay 600 baht Thai all the way there. So it would be 300 each for us. We found a couple that wanted to go to the same pier as us. So we're gonna try to wait for 2 more people. If not, we're gonna have to pay 300 for a couple. At Big Camera in Lotus, Krabi, we got our drone. It was 800 for a round trip with taxi. It was going to be 250 to rent a motorbike, but it is worth it this way. The service was very nice. The guy took his time to let us check all the equipment and he struggled opening the box. It had to take 2 of them to open the box. So the drone we dropped was $1,000 and this one is pretty much the same price. For drone flyers, if you want to fly a drone in Thailand, you have to register your drone or you will get charged a fee by cops if they see it. So we would have to register our drone before we start flying, which there are 2 options. One through Line, the app, and the other one is in person. So we're going to do everything through Line. We are at Phra Nang beach and there's Penis Cave close by. We see a lot of people climbing on the rock. I don't know if it's gonna be us, but it's pretty cool watching them going up with just cable. Do you know why they're red tips? Because what?
It's a dog penis.
It's not this big, is it? You don't know why they are red tips. CJ said it's dog penis. But you think the dog has penis this size? There are people praying. I wonder what they pray about. Phra Nang Cave is a sacred place and should be treated with respect by anybody visiting there. Fishermen and boatmen still make offerings in the form of incense and flowers to ensure a safe journey. Lingams are a symbol of the Hindu god Shiva and are associated with fertility and virility. In Thailand, Hindu and animist beliefs are incorporated alongside Buddhism. Over the centuries, Phra Nang Cave has become associated with fertility and the lingams placed here take the form of carved wooden penises. Local folklore says that if somebody carves a wooden lingam and releases it at a high tide anywhere along Krabi coast, it will eventually end up in Phra Nang Cave. One legend says that an Indian princess was killed in a shipwreck offshore and her ghost occupied the cave. Another story says that Phra Nang was the wife of a local fisherman. One day her husband set out to sea but never returned. According to this story, the woman lived out the rest of her years living in the cave and looking out to sea, waiting for her husband to come back. Another version tells the story of a beautiful maiden who lived in Krabi centuries ago. She rejected men who wanted to marry her, and marrying a rescuer. The stories about Penis Cave are pretty interesting. I don't know who to believe, but I hope the video gives you some idea about the cave so you can go tell your friends to come visit it. And the best time to come here is early in the morning. Yesterday we got here around 1 p.m. It was packed. Almost every inch in the lagoon was people swimming, and there were people walking along the beach, people climbing. And today we got here at 8 a.m. There is no one, maybe just 2 couples. So I'm able to record this loud and clear. As CJ is playing with his new drone, I'm gonna walk around and show you guys some more views and footage from the Penis Cave. And maybe I'll pray for a lucky life. Let me know if you guys make it here, and if you do, what do you pray for the princess? If you make it here, no fireworks, the princess doesn't like it. Some flowers, some food, or some drinks are welcome. And thank you for subscribing and liking my video. Come chat with me in the comment section. I am looking forward to talking to you guys. And I will see you guys next video. Bye bye.